This channel called elux.com made around $18,000 per month. This channel called Better Than Yesterday made around $6,500 per month. This channel called Brainy Dose made around $18,000 per month. And all these channels are faceless YouTube channels. Let me show you the channels. So this was the first channel that I shown you, that is elux.com. See, this is a faceless channel. They are just using the stock footages, stock videos, and giving voiceovers to those videos. They must be hiring someone for giving the voiceovers, or they must be using AI tools for giving the voiceovers to those videos. I'll show you how you can give the voiceovers to your videos, how you can create these videos, faceless YouTube channels, and make money like this. And they are making these money only from ad revenue alone, and I will show you how you can make more money with affiliate marketing. So this was the third channel that I showed you, called Brainy Dose. They are also using stock footages, stock videos, and giving voiceovers to these videos. I will show you one more example of the channel. This is a fairly new channel, only has 62 subscribers. As you can see, they're getting hundreds of views every single day. As you can see, they are also using stock footages, stock videos, and giving voiceovers, or they must be using an AI tool to give voiceovers or to make these videos. Now I will show you how you can create channels like this with only AI tools and without showing your face. You can use this technique to create multiple YouTube channels and run them simultaneously, or you can hire someone to create these AI generated videos for you. Now I will show you how you can create this type of videos with the AI tools. So first tool that we will use is called Chatsonic. As you can see, it is written here Chatsonic, like ChatGPT. So this is an alternative of ChatGPT, and this tool is created by Writesonic. As you can see, if you want to sign up for Writesonic, you can go to the first link in the description and sign up for this tool. Now inside Writesonic, you will find this Chatsonic option, and if you click on this, you'll go to the Chatsonic dashboard. Here you can type any query and you will get the solution of that query, like in ChatGPT. So this is an alternative of ChatGPT, but this is much better than ChatGPT because it includes latest Google data. As you can see here, if I turn it on, it will be including the data, the latest Google data, but ChatGPT does not include latest data. The data that shown by ChatGPT is before 2020, so 2021. Now this tool we will use to write the script of our video. So first you have to choose your niche, what niche you want to create your channel in. Now if once you selected your niche, you can go to the similar channels in your niche and sort their videos by most popular, and you can take inspirations from their popular videos and take their keywords and type that those keywords here to write the script of these videos. Now I already have a keyword for my video, so that I will type here, and I will ask Chatsonic to write the script for that video for me. So I have typed this write YouTube video script for the keyword how to think like a CEO. Then I will click on this button. So it will start generating the script for me. As you can see, it has given me a title here, how to think like a CEO.
Mastering the mindset of successful leaders. Opening shot of a busy office, employees typing away.
After I have turned on the text to speak option as well, so that's why it is reading the script for me. So as you can see, this is the script it has written for me. Opening shot of a busy office, employees, and so on, it has written. Now if you want this script into more detail, you can ask it for write the script in more detail. So as you can see, I asked Chatsonic to write a detailed YouTube video script for the keyword how to think like a CEO. So it has written me a script like this. This is the title it has given me, then an introduction, then the body. In the body it has given me 5 points, then the conclusion. If you want more points, you can ask it to give you more points or more detailed description of each point. You can ask it. For example, I want more description for this video, so I will ask it to elaborate the first point more. So let's see how it responds. So as you can see, it is elaborating the first point in more detail. Visionary thinking, and that was the first point, and it is elaborating that point for us. So it has created 4 sentences or 5 sentences for that first point, and it is still working on that. So that's how you can take one each and every point, and you can ask it to elaborate every point. So you will get a complete YouTube video script. Then once your script is ready, the second tool you're going to go to is called Pictory. As you can see here, this is the second tool we are going to use for our video creation. I already have an account, so I will log in from here, and if you want to log in, you can go to the link in the description. You will find the link there and sign up for Pictory. So I have 4 different options here. So I will select this script to video option because we have a script and we want to convert the script into video. So here you can give the name to your video. So I will give it as how to think like a CEO. Then here you can paste your script. So I will copy that script from Chatsonic. That this was the first paragraph and second paragraph. Let's copy this paragraph only. I don't want to waste your time creating whole video. I am just showing you the example how you can use Pictory to create your video. So I will paste that script. Now what I will do, I will break these paragraphs into sentences. So I will break it from here, then from here I will break it into another sentence. So I will show you later why I am doing this. So as you can see, I have broken the paragraphs into sentences. Now the next step is you want to click on this proceed button, and then it will ask you to select any template out of this. So you can select any of the templates. So let's select this one, and it will ask you the aspect ratio you want to choose. So I will select this 16:9 because we are creating the video for YouTube. Then it will start working for you and create the video out of that script we have given to it. So Pictory has created the video for us. It has created a number of scenes. As you can see, this is the first scene and this was a text we added. Then this is the second scene. It already automatically has taken a video in the background related to the keywords involved in this sentence. If you want to change any of the video, you can just select this scene, and from here you're gonna go to visuals, and from here you can change, you can select any of these videos out of stock footages. And for example, if I select this one, so this video will be changed in the background in the third scene. So there you go, it has changed. Now the third scene video is now changed. If you want to change any other video, you can go to that scene and go to visuals and select any other video if you don't like this video. And then once your video is ready, you can add voiceover from here. Now you have 3 different options. First, you can upload a direct voiceover. You can record your own voice from here, and or you can record somewhere else and upload your voice over here. And the second option you have is you can go to Fiverr and hire someone to create a voiceover for your YouTube video. As you can see, people are charging somewhere around $5 to $40 for the voiceover for your YouTube video, but this is way more expensive. I'm going to show you the different method which you can use for creating the voiceovers for your video. So you're going to go to this website called Murf.AI, and once you sign up, you're going to go to this Open Studio. If you haven't already signed up, you will find the link in the description for Murf.AI. Now to create a new project, you're going to click on this create new project. You can give a name to your project from here. So I will just give it as test1, and from here you will select audio, and I will select start blank, and I will click on this create project. Then here you gonna go to paste your script of the video. So I will copy that script again and I will paste that script into Murf.AI, and it will ask you to split the script by paragraph, or you can split the script by sentences. So I will recommend to split the scripts by sentences, because in the Pictory we have created the video into sentences. We have broken the paragraphs into sentences like this. So you're gonna click on this paste script. Now from here, explore AI voices, you can select other AI voices. If you want, you can preview from here. For example, if I play this,
a tale to tell, a message to convey.
Introducing Perfect Meal, a special formula for.
Hi, I'm Nate.
so I will select this Nate voice. Then from here you can preview your sentence, how it will sound like.
Visionary thinking is a mindset that allows you to think beyond the present and envision the future.
So as you can see, the voice is more like a human, not a robotic voice. So you can use this voiceover in your YouTube videos and it will get monetized for sure. If you use any text to speech software for your voiceover, it will be more robotic voice and will not get monetized by YouTube. So this is more human like voice, and once you complete all the sentences, you can export from here, and then you can select any of the option. I will select voice only, and from here you can download your voiceover video audio, and you can then upload here in your Pictory video. Upload voiceover option is given here. You can drag and drop your file as well. Then from here you can add a background music as well, but I will not recommend to add background music here. You can add that background music in any other video editor. You can export and download your video and you're good to go, and you can upload that video into YouTube. Now your video is ready. Once you upload your video, you can make more money with affiliate marketing with your video. So what you have to do, you're going to go to this website called clickbank.com, and from here you can select any niche, any market. So for example, I will select this health and fitness niche, and you can select any of the products given here. For example, for this product you will get a commission of $129 if you promote this. So you're going to click on this promote button, and from here click on create hop link. So you will get a unique affiliate link. As you can see, you can copy this link and paste in the YouTube description of your video. Whenever someone will click on that link, you will get a commission out of that. So that's all from this video. If you want to sign up for the tools I've showed you, you can go, you will find the links in the description below. And if you have got any value out of this video, you can give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and goodbye.